Has the economy affected your love life? And so, how do you know that your economy is affecting your love life? These are the signs and symptoms that the economy is affecting your love life. Number one, if you and your partner survive on daily bundles, you have to buy daily bundles for MBs and for minutes. To make matters worse, some of you that are buying 10 minutes, 5 MBs, 7 MBs, 100 MBs. Seriously? The economy is not good on your side. Then, if you and your partner, the only way you can get quality time for each other, in terms of distance relationship, if the two of you have to first find free Wi-Fi, the baby is on Wi-Fi, the guy is on Wi-Fi, seriously? My dear, if I were you, I would resolve the relationship and maybe catch up in 2026, but 2025, nara. Wow. If you can't talk to your partner simply because of airtime, you always pretend to be busy, or like, hey babe, I'm kind of busy today, or can we talk tomorrow, or sometimes you even know how to pretend and try calling in the night when you know that they are asleep. Then you'll be like, in fact, I want to talk to you in the night, yet you're just avoiding. Those are performance avoidance strategies. You're trying to hide the fact that you can't even get airtime to talk to your partner. My dear, that relationship, I am worried, but we shall come back for you. And there's also this category of people whereby you have to first save for literally a year so that you can buy your partner a gift. Seriously? Just quit the relationship. First save for data, save for everything. And this is where the problem, because then when you reach the point of buying that gift, you're like, hey babe, by the way, this gift was really expensive, I spent this amount of money. Who cares? If you can't afford it, then don't do it. The best. I have no words for such people, but you can do better than that. Then there's also this category of people, for you, the two of you in a relationship, for one to first come and visit you need to first give them transport. And man, the Uganda of these days, some of you, you're fond of being given transport. Then it's after I create one. By the way, I was supposed to come, but then I got this issue, I got ABCD, I got BC. Be serious. One day they will squeeze the juice out of you. You won't like it. Then there's also this category of people, for you literally depend on your partner for literally almost everything. Airtime, today you call, you want airtime, tomorrow you want transport, tomorrow you're sick, the other day you're... Seriously? That's not a relationship, my dear. It is a situation. Then there's also this kind of people. For you, you're dating more than one person. It's only for girls that they can have guys. One is for airtime, another is for taking them for outing, another is for dressing, another is for hair, another is for makeup. My dear, I really don't have words for you, because even hair can't afford you. So where should we put you? My one advice would be for you to forgive yourself before we come for you. Otherwise, you won't like it. Then I have this phone. Literally, you have never bought as a gift or even something very small for your partner. I am surprised. Don't worry. This is a thing. If you don't buy them, someone else is buying them. So ask yourself, then what are you doing? I guess I had to lose you on the way to finding me. I know economy is like that, but fine. Maybe move on. Then there are these people that you keep promising without fulfilling. Today you promise this, tomorrow you promise the other, and you promise the other one, you promise the other one. Just accept that the economy is not good on your side, and honesty is required in a relationship. But that's hard for you. Run for your life. Otherwise, 2025 is not good for you. Then my last category of people are these ones that literally have borrowed from everybody just to make sure they keep the relationship. You even reach a point of lying to your parents, mommy, I want to go do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, just for the sake of you getting money for the relationship. My dear, I'm worried. You might reach that point of paying, and you even have to give your partner in just because of that date. So, what am I saying? Run for your life or quit the relationship.